Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually make $100 a day with differs, okay? Because most people don't believe in differs, but I'll show you how you can actually do it with differs, okay? Okay, right now I'll be using a stake of 100 because my account is about $2,000, all right? As I said, I'll not be revealing the balance for safety purposes. Now, let us start. So first of all, a prediction. I'll set it at 8, all right? Differs. My stop loss is 500. My target profit is 1,000. So yeah, let us start. So we'll proceed and run our bot. As you can see, about to print dollars, all the best. So let us see how it goes. So as you can see, the first is a win. All right, you can go increasing the stake in stages as you prefer. All right, at the end of the day, it is your stake. Just know how to manage it properly. All right, it is your stake. Okay, and if you want your bot to take breaks, you can always stop it as you wish. Okay, as you can see right now, we are at 5 wins. Okay, remember in differs, one loss you require 11 times your stake. So ensure you have enough in your account to recover any loss that might occur. Okay, because losses will be there. It is for you to know how to actually know how to recover them. So ensure, as you can see, like that one. So we'll just come here and 11 times our stake. So as you can see, if you don't have enough in your account, it will be very tricky for you. So I'll just come here and set it to at 1100, and then we recover it, and then we proceed. So ensure whatever amount you're using, you have 11 times that amount to be able to recover your stake. Okay, because remember, if you're not able to recover, you'll end up blowing your account. So let us proceed and see how it goes. Okay, you're not that far from our target. Only one more run. And yeah, we have reached our target. Okay, we wanted to make 100. So that is how you can basically make $100 in Deriv very, very easily. Ensure you have enough capital and ensure you are able to recover any loss that might occur. As you can see, I've just made $100 and I can go on with my day. This is about 15,000 or it's about 12,000 shillings, which is very nice. Okay, so differs is very possible. The main thing is that you analyze the market you're trading correctly. Okay, yeah, and again, losses will always be there, but it is for you to be able to recover them and end the day with a profit. Okay, as you can see right now, I've ended the day with a profit. Okay, yeah, so ensure you use the correct strategies. All right, yeah, again, the more capital you have, the better. Okay, as you can see, my account had about okay, I'm currently handling a very big account. That is why, as you can see, I'm not revealing the balance, but as you can see, once you have enough in your account, it will be very easy for you to make profit. Okay, yeah, because if my account was about $10, for me to make such an amount, it would have taken a lot of time. Okay, yeah, so guys, go practice. All right, practice, master the strategy you're using, and then come to your account, practice, and trade and make your profit and leave. All right, at the end of the day, you're here to make profits. So ensure whatever amount you're using, you are able to make a good profit from it. But otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Please ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you want to know how I did this, what strategy I used to analyze, I'll put the link in the description, or you can just go to the channel and search differs strategy, and you'll find everything. If you're not able to find it, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description and I'll guide you. For those who need this bot dollar printer, it is free as long as you have subscribed to the channel. All right, and please share to anyone who you know is interested so that they don't miss out. But otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. So, and please, guys, keep trading, keep pushing, don't give up, and let us meet in the next one.